In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off fast startup on your Windows 10 computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. By turning off fast startup, this makes sure that your computer programs totally shuts off completely whenever you shut it down. And for this, your computer will have to fetch again the resources from your hard disk on startup. So this is recommended if you want to make your computer or to completely shut down your computer. To do this is pretty simple. Just go to Control Panel on your Windows 10 computer and then open it. Under Control Panel, go ahead and look for Power Options. Now under Power Options, head to choose what the power button do. Now from here, you can see we have here shutdown settings. We are told if you go to fast startup, you can see it is checked and you wish to turn it off, but this has been disabled. To enable this, go ahead and choose change settings that are currently unavailable. So if you tap on that, now you can see they are available for selection or deselection. Now go ahead and uncheck this, turn on fast startup. As you can see, if you uncheck this, now each and every time you turn off your computer, everything in the background will stop to work. However, you are normally told this setting is usually recommended because this helps start your PC faster after shutting down. But restart isn't affected. So you have to note that this is what will happen when you uncheck this. Then from here, go ahead and tap on Save Changes to effect your changes. So that's how you can turn off fast startup on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.